Well, yun nga. Sama nung umpisa namin, no? We had a bad start. We gave up 30 points in the first quarter. But we got out-competed. And they competed for a whole game. Kami, siguro we got single digit, no, na nakalapit kami ng single digit, pero nawala rin eh. No, we could not sustain our rally. I think they just came out more ready to play than we were. So kami naman, hinahanap lang namin yung 7th win namin. Kung next game makuha namin, okay na kami ron. Paghahandaan namin yung quarterfinals. But overall, we're still in a good spot. No? Gusto lang namin talaga quarters. We're trying to avoid 7 and 8 place, and we can still do that actually. Kung nanalo sana, baka pwede ka pang mag-ambisyon ng 1 and 2 eh. No? Kaya lang, baka hindi pa namin deserve yun. So, with the effort we put out today, hindi talaga namin deserve na habulin pa yan. Ang kailangan lang namin ngayon, 7 wins and avoid number 7 and number 8. So, focus lang muna kami ron.
Okay, Coach.